I'm Ronnie.
We're here at Lake Hawaiian Commercial Center for the Race Against Drugs 205. So, marami sanang taong dumating dito and we have lots of all-star cast tong
Game na to.
race na to. We have lots of well-known racing team in the entire racing Philippines. So we have Irano, we have YRS, Repsu, local talents like Team Kamigawa, MRC, and a lot more. So marami mag-enjoy kayo para panoorin to. Ang sumusuport sa amin dito, Northeast Yamaha, Castrol, Itag, Filipina Shell, and a lot more. Tapos, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa game natin ngayon kasi ang purpose ng race namin ito is to bring the motorcycle sports, lalo na yung circuit racing, to the masses. Kasi mahal eh. If we're going to other places, mahal. So, we're developing the new talent. Talagang from the grassroots level, kukuha tayo ng mga players, nagde-develop tayo, maging riders para maging well-known, makakuha sa amin ng Yamaha or other racing team. Saka at the same time, to promote local tourism, not only in Lake Hawaiian but also in the province of Bulacan. Kasi well-known na tayo eh. This is our second year already. Diba?
Ang masasabi ko lang, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa karerang to. See you ulit.
See you.
Dito kami ngayon sa Bulacan. Dito kami para sumali sa karera ng second Bulacan race. We hope makapagbigay kami ng magandang performance sa race na ito ngayon. Kami yung grupo ng isa sa mga satellite team ng Yamaha, YRS Yamaha. Most of us is from Mandaluyong and yung dalawa namin rider na expert from Taytay. Hope makapag-uli kami ng magandang resulta ngayon. Thank you.
Ano yung pipe mo? Ngayon, pag-tumit mo tayo. One time mo sa mga stock na mapapapalit yung ibang
The Bulacan Circuit Racing Group would like to thanks to our sponsors like Northeast Yamaha, Castrol Oils, Filipina Shell, Edwin Bordador Photo and Video Coverage, Mayor Eddie Alarilla and Sangguniang Bayan, MacArthur's Court, and Precious Mineral Water. And other sponsors is Coterista Magazines and Insider Racing Magazine.
Adrenaline!